how to make a VHS effect in CapCut. In this video, I'll show you how to make a VHS effect in CapCut. So to get started, go ahead and create a new project on CapCut. Go ahead and select a video that you want to add a VHS effect to and click on the HD button above the add button and then add that into your canvas. So on your canvas, go ahead and look for the effects button, click on video effects, and then under video effects, go ahead and use the search tool to look for VHS effect. So enter VHS in here, and then on the results, go ahead and select the VHS effect that you want to use to your video. So there are various VHS effects that you can choose from on CapCut. So simply select the one that you prefer to use for your video, and then click on this cancel button, and then that will take you back into your canvas. So drag the length of the effect to the very last or very end of your video to make sure that the effect covers all of your video. And then after that, you can go ahead and proceed on exporting your video by clicking on that export button at the top right corner of your screen.